Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to officially kick off my Easter Decorate with Me 2026 mini-series. Today we are focusing on that beautiful transition from early spring decor to Easter with a look that is both simple and subtle. We are starting right here at the entryway table, which is the first thing guests see when they enter my home. If you have love affordable DIY decor, thrifted flips, and creating a cozy home, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our At Home with Sonja family. Let's jump right into the first styling of the season. Start this refresh, I'm beginning with a completely clean slate. I've taken everything off the entryway table so I have a blank canvas to work with. There's something so refreshing about starting from scratch. My focal point for this look is a DIY vase filled with beautiful cherry blossoms. I've decided to mix my pink and white stems, both of which I found at Dollarama. These are absolutely stunning, high quality stems, and I just love how mixing the two colors create a lush statement floral piece that screams spring. Next to the vase, I'm laying a thrifted tray. Inside, I'm placing a book with a gorgeous mossy green linen cover that feels so organic and earthy. On top of that, I'm adding my collection of DIY bunnies. I've gathered these over time from Dollar Tree and Dollarama, and I've personalized them with metallic gold spray paint and a touch of antiquing wax for a high-end vintage feel. Beside my bunnies, I'm adding a delicate bud vase with a single peony paired with a crystal tea light candle holder. Crystal is such a huge trend right now, and it adds a lovely touch of elegance to the table. On the opposite side of the vase, some more linen covered books to create height and elevate my lamp. Both the books and the lamp were thrifted store find that I've spruced up to better suit my personal style. I absolutely love how the top of the entryway looks now. It's balanced and so inviting. Moving to the bottom shelf, I'm bringing in a basket. This is actually a hamper I found on HomeSense. Next to that, I'm adding a vintage art print that I DIY'd in a beautiful wood frame. To keep the subtle Easter theme going, I'm placing a stone bunny that I've had for a few years, also from HomeSense. Finally, to complete the look at the bottom, I am adding a DIY paper mache bowl. Inside, I've nestled some twine carrots that I picked up at HomeSense a few seasons back. They had such a nice natural texture to finish off the space. And that completes the bottom of the table and our first stop in the Easter 2026 series. I am so happy with how this entryway table looks. It's such a welcoming styled piece of furniture that sets the tone the moment you step inside my home. If you enjoyed the spring to Easter transition, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below letting me know which DIY piece was your favorite. Don't forget to stick around for the rest of the series as we move through the house. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.